Good morning, 7th grade. I would like you to watch this entire video as I'm going to be going through all the directions for this virtual lab. I wish we could do it in class, but unfortunately we're not able to. There is a video here about the flower dissection, but you will need to look at each one of these videos as well as this website to be able to answer the questions in the lab. Okay, so you're going to just read this. There's nothing else to do, but read this so it will help you as you move through. Now, after you watch the flower dissection and watch the videos, you are going to tell the function of each part of the flower in the function box. And then you're going to tell the color of the petals of the flower that was in the dissection. After watching the bee video, you need to answer question number 2, be the bee. Okay, I want you to draw the anther that you saw in the video. I want you to draw the pollen grain. And then here, explain this question or answer this question. Okay, now you're going to find the stigma in the style, and you're going to answer what you notice about the surface of the stigma. Be the bee, you need to answer that question as well. Okay. So you're going to, after watching the video, or if you want to, go outside, and if you can actually observe a bee or butterfly pollinating a flower, that's fine too. But you're going to tell me which one you chose to observe. There are videos as well connected to this, but I would encourage you to go outside and see if you can see them. Number of plants the pollinator visited. Were they trees, flowers, grasses? Were they visiting leaves, flowers, or stems? And you're going to answer this question as well. Now, you're going to be writing what's called a CER conclusion. Claim, evidence, reasoning. And this is something we're going to practice through this year as we're doing labs. So I actually started the information for you. So the conclusion is, how do the specialized structures of a flower increase the chances for successful reproduction? The claim is that the structures of a flower do what? Explain what the specialized structures of the flower do. What is the evidence? What did you see in each part of the lab that showed evidence of this happening? And your reasoning. How can you tell that these structures help? And again, we're talking about successful reproduction, pollination of a flower. And then answer the reflection questions. And I've given you the beginning of those. Okay, so that is the entire lab. I'm giving you a couple days to work on this in class, but you also need to work on it at home. Have a great day.